Say hello to the ultimate showstopper. This futuristic car features gesture sensing technology, allowing you to control it with just a flick of your wrist. The 360 rotations, all-directional drifts, and two-sided driving make it an instant favorite. Equipped with 2 rechargeable batteries, it offers up to an hour of uninterrupted fun. Perfect for conquering any terrain, gravel, grass, or sand. It's the dream toy for kids aged 6 and up. With its vibrant lights and music, it brings action-packed adventures both day and night. And the best part? It's available in pink and green, starting at $41.99. Next on our list is the 360 rotating RC Stunt Car, designed to perform stunning flips and tumbles like no other. Equipped with 4WD and a texture crack design, this car isn't just stylish, it's durable and built to last. Its glowing wheel and headlight LEDs light up your playtime, making it ideal for indoor and outdoor adventures. Want to race with friends? No problem. The 2.4 GHz interference-free control ensures multiple cars can compete simultaneously. Starting at just $26.99, this is the perfect pick for aspiring racers. Get ready to ride on land and water. This 4WD waterproof RC car can seamlessly transition between terrains, including pools, lakes, beaches, and even grass. Its gesture-controlled stunts, colorful LED lights, and durable build make it stand out. Whether it's performing 360 flips on water or racing across sand, this toy guarantees endless fun. With a playtime of up to 60 minutes, thanks to its 2 rechargeable batteries, it's the perfect companion for all terrains. At just $29.99, it's a must-have for adventurous kids age 4 and up. For the music and light lovers out there, this gesture-sensing RC stunt car is an absolute gem. It combines the thrill of racing with cool sound effects, flashy LED lights, and 3 demo modes that bring the excitement to life. This double-sided driving car can tackle any surface, including stairs, carpets, and beaches, with its all-terrain tires. Equipped with USB rechargeable batteries, it ensures your child can enjoy long hours of stunts and drifts. At just $23.99, this RC car is as fun as it is budget-friendly. Finally, we have a showstopper that takes flips, rotations, and stunts to the next level. This double-sided stunt car can tackle almost any terrain with its anti-crash durable tires. Its LED headlights and wheel lights bring the fun to life, especially during nighttime adventures. The 2.4 GHz control technology ensures smooth operation up to 40 meters, and the rechargeable batteries deliver hours of fun. Available in a variety of colors, starting at $49.79. It's the ultimate choice for thrill seekers aged 6 to 12. Wow, what an exciting lineup of RC cars for 2025. Whether it's gesture sensing technology, waterproof builds, or dazzling LED lights, these toys are perfect for creating unforgettable memories. So, what are you waiting for? Head to the links in the description and grab the perfect RC car toy for the young adventurers in your life. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing gadget reviews and gift ideas. See you in the next video. Keep the adventures rolling.